Have you ever had to trust in something you couldn't see? Today we're going to learn about one of the greatest tests of faith in history. Long, long ago in ancient times there lived a prophet named Ibrahim. He was a man of deep faith and trust in Allah. One day Allah gave Ibrahim a very difficult command. He was to take his wife Hajra and their baby son Ismail to a faraway place, a place with no people, no trees, and no water. Ibrahim obeyed without question. He traveled across the hot desert sands with his family, walking for many days and nights. Finally, they reached a barren valley surrounded by rocky mountains. There was nothing there, just sand and stones under the blazing sun. Ibrahim left some dates and a small container of water for Hajra and baby Ismail. As he prepared to leave, Hajra called out to him. "Are you leaving us here in this empty place?" she asked. Ibrahim's heart was heavy, but he remained silent. Hajra asked again, "Did Allah command you to do this?" Ibrahim nodded, "Yes." Then Hajra said something amazing. She said, "Then Allah will not abandon us." This was the ultimate test of faith. Hajra was left alone with her baby in the middle of nowhere, with barely any food or water. But she trusted in Allah completely. She believed that if this was Allah's plan, then He would take care of them. And you know what? Allah did take care of them. This place would later become the blessed city of Makkah, where millions of people visit every year. The lesson we learn from this story is that when we trust in Allah and have faith, even in the hardest times, He will never leave us alone. So remember, just like Hajra showed courage and faith, we too can be brave and trust in Allah, no matter what challenges we face.